Are AI research assistants free? If you are curious about whether AI research assistants come at no cost, you are in the right place. Let's break down the details to give you a clear picture. Many AI research assistants do offer free versions or free trials. However, most of these tools also have paid plans that come with additional features. For instance, some platforms allow users to ask questions, upload documents, or manage references without any charge, but there are limits. You might find that you can chat with scientific papers or manage your research library for free, but only to a certain extent. If you are a student or researcher, starting with free AI research assistants can be a great way to help with studying or academic work. These free tools can assist you in getting overviews of topics, organizing papers, or generating summaries. They can save you a lot of time when it comes to literature reviews and data organization. As your needs grow, you might find that you requiring more extensive document uploads, unlimited queries, or advanced writing assistance. In such cases, you may want to consider upgrading to paid plans. Typically, these plans range from about $10 to $25 per month. To summarize, free AI research assistants are available and can be quite useful for basic research tasks. These tasks include summarizing papers, asking scientific questions, or managing references. However, free plans often come with limitations. You may face restrictions on the number of queries, documents, or AI generations you can use each day or month. Paid plans usually unlock more features and higher limits. They may also provide specialized tools for academic writing, data analysis, or knowledge management. Using free AI research assistants can align well with effective study strategies by saving time and helping you organize complex information efficiently. So, while AI research assistants are not always entirely free, many do provide accessible free options that can support your studying and academic research effectively before you consider any paid upgrades.